This is Rusty with Masters Lawn Care with another quick tip on Gainesville lawns. Today we're talking about frost damage on lawns, and as you can see, a very rare occurrence we've got in Gainesville is some frost. Although frost is fairly uncommon in Gainesville, we did get some last night. We're here the second week of December and we've got some good icicles sitting on this sod at our shop. What I wanted to do is kind of talk about what frost does to the lawn, how to protect against it, and what you can do to make sure that your lawn survives it. One of the first things that we suggest as far as a lawn that has got frost on it is we don't want to walk across it. We don't want any type of traffic coming across the lawn, which is going to, obviously the frost makes the lawn kind of crispy, so if we step on it, then we can break grass blades off and we can cause damage, and we don't want to do that. The second thing we want to do is we do not want to water during the frost. Now this is contradictory to what many people say but there's a clarification there. You do want to water before the frost. You don't want to water during the frost. If you water during the frost, the ice is actually going to freeze on top of the grass blade and cause more frost damage. But if you water before the frost, that water will actually soak into the roots, and that holds it above 32 degrees at the root system, which is good for the turf. Hope this has been helpful for you. If there's anything we can do to help you with your lawn in the frost in the winter, please give us a call, 378-5296, and I hope you have a blessed day.